So very important these questions in BTO exam. They will ask frequently this question. Write these steps, different steps which is required for new project works, or the various steps in a new highway projects. Explain. They will ask probably these questions. Maximum time they ask in the exams. So steps in a new project work. The various steps in a new highway project may be summarized as given below. The first one is map study. This can be carried out with the help of available topographic map of the area. Generally, we already discussed these steps. Reconnaissance survey. During the reconnaissance survey, a general idea of a topographic and other features like field identifications of soil and survey construction materials by and the spot inspection of the site, which has been considered in this reconnaissance survey. Second one is the preliminary survey. Preliminary survey is nothing but it's a topographical details and the soil survey along the alternate alignments, consideration of geometric designs and other requirement of alignment, preparation of the plans and comparison of alternative routes, economic analysis and selection of final alignment. So this has been considered in the preliminary survey. In the third is location of final alignment. It is the transfer of the alignment from the drawing to the ground by driving the packs along the center line of finally chosen alignment, setting out the geometric design elements by location of the tangent points, FX points, circular and the transition curves, elevation of center line and super elevation details. The fourth one is a detailed survey of the highway construction work or the preparation of the longitudinal and cross section computations of earthwork quantities and other construction material and checking the details of geometric design elements. Materials survey of construction materials, the collection and testing, the design details of embankment and cut slopes, foundations of embankment and bridges and the pavements layers and crossing drainage structures. The next one is the earthwork, excavation of highway, cutting of drainage systems, construction of embankments, which is included in the earthwork item. The pavement construction is preparation of subgrade, construction of subbase, base and surface courses. Construction of controls, quality control is very important in terms of the test during the different stages of construction and check the finished road surfaces such as the unevenness, camber, super elevation and the extra widening of pavement at the curves level. The last one is construction planning and programming, very important step. The construction planning and the programming to be carried out taking into account all the restraints and existing problems in order to minimize the construction cost and the time. It is essential to resort the appropriate and approaches such as the critical path method, CPM what we called, and the project evaluation and review techniques, that is PERT. So these are the two very important methods which is adopted.